Hi, this is a video showcasing my archival setup and workflow. So I hope that this video is useful and you get ideas on how to set up your own archival stuff and things like that. So to start with, here's a Discord server that has a bot I made, and the reason for this Discord server is to submit links and other stuff to archive. I used to do it from the terminal over SSH, but this is first of all way easier, and secondly it also lets me invite people here so they can submit their own stuff without having to like send me a separate message or whatever. So let's start this demonstration with archiving a channel. So here's a channel that I want to archive. So what I do is I take the URL and I paste it in the correct channel. So this will go in this channel and it will take a moment. There we go. It's now added to the queue, and in this queue I can approve it. So the reason for this approval process is that I let other people also archive stuff. For example, this link here, it was not posted by me, so it's up to me to decide whether I want it archived or not. And the reason for that is just so that people can't accidentally archive something I don't want archived. Like a channel that's too huge, for example, with like thousands of videos. Yeah, and another thing you might notice is that it automatically corrects the link to a format that cannot change. So if we go here, you can see this is the link I copied. It has the custom channel URL in it, but we don't want that because this person could change their URL and then my archive would stop updating that channel. So by using a permanent ID like this, it will always keep updating. And yeah, that's something I forgot to mention. Once a channel or something else is added to my archive, it will automatically update. So when this guy releases new videos, I will also get those archived without having to add the channel again. Okay, so this is another project I've made, which is a website for managing my archive, or I guess just finding content in it. It's kind of like a miniature version of YouTube, where you have videos with thumbnails and things, so you don't have to browse a list of files. Instead, you can just browse this website instead, and it like shares metadata and stuff. So I think it's really nice for quickly finding stuff and things like that. Another tool I use is called Everything, which is a searching tool that searches everything instantly. So for example, if I want to find this video, as you can see I have already specified the folder, but let's see. I can just type in and find stuff instantly, and this also works across network drives, so that's really nice. And it offers a lot of cool sorting features, like I can sort by name, by folder, by size, by date modified, whatever. So this is a really useful program for managing archived content, so I definitely recommend this program. And as for my website, it is also available on GitHub, so if you want the same thing, you can just download this and play around with it and use it for your own archive. The way this website works is that it takes the YouTube.dll metadata files. So if we go back here, you can see that instead of just saving the MP4 for every video, my archive also saves the thumbnail, description, and the info.json file. And the info.json file is the file that contains lots of metadata information, such as the date it was uploaded, what channel did it, how many views it has, what's the description, and so on. So that's what I use to generate these pages. automatically. So if you use YouTube TL and download the metadata, you can also use Hobone for your archive. So speaking of YouTube TL, I personally use the official fork, except I have my own version with my own changes. But if you want to do archival, you should either download this official version, and you can install it through pip. So I guess this is how you should install it. I think that's the best way of installing and updating it. And there's also a project called YTDLP, which is an improved version of YouTube TL, which adds lots of extra features and stuff. So I definitely also recommend checking this out and seeing which one you want to use. So this is also a great option. Let's see. So what else should I show? Oh, right. So I have also, I don't know if you noticed it before, but on my pages I have these like icons beside the timestamps, and what they do is, you can see this one has a check mark, right? So this is a user script I wrote that automatically checks which videos I have already downloaded in my archive, and lets me quickly see what I have already downloaded. So as you can see, this one has a check mark, which means I've already downloaded this video. So if we go and try to download it again, you can see it says video already added, because we already have it. And I don't have to go here and paste the link, because I can see the thing from this timestamp. So by this logic, this video is probably not archived yet. So let's see what happens if we paste this link. Yeah, see. So this one got added to the queue, so I can add it to the archive. So this is a very recent video, which is why it hasn't been downloaded yet. Let's see. Playlists. Yeah, playlists is a new cool feature I added. So let's, for example, take this playlist, and from my user script you can see that all of these have already been archived. So this is not a good example, but I'm still gonna show it. So if we paste it in here, you can see that I have to specify a keyword, and what this is that the normal keyword just goes through the video, or the playlist, and adds all the videos from it. But I have also added unlisted and danger, which are very relevant until the 23rd of July, because on the 23rd of July all unlisted videos before 2017 will be privated by YouTube. So if I type in unlisted, it will only archive the unlisted videos from the playlist, and if I type danger, it will only archive the unlisted videos from the playlist that have been uploaded before 2017, which is the cutoff date. So let's see if we can find some other playlist to use. Let's see how about this one. So as you can see, some of these videos have been archived, but there is quite a lot of things here that have not been archived. So let's archive them, and let's only archive the ones that are unlisted and will be privated. I'm also going to show this auto queue feature. So far, when I've added links, you've seen me go here and manually approve them, and that's fine. But if you are dealing with thousands of videos, which I am, tens of thousands even sometimes, then just going here and clicking on every one is really annoying. So I also made this auto queue where you can paste in a link and it will automatically approve everything without me having to do anything. So let's do danger. So it will only see, there are only 2 videos in this playlist that will be removed on the 23rd of July. So it is only going to archive those 2 videos. And it's actually just one video, because if we go look here, this video was posted twice, right? So it only added this to the archive, and we can also try to do, let's see if there's anything unlisted here. Yeah, there's like one more unlisted video. Yeah, so this is added now. And it works really well with even like really big playlists. So this is a huge playlist which I've already archived, but just for demonstration purposes we can do danger and this link. And this will take a bit of time because it is, let's see, how big is it? It's like 3,100 videos to check them all for unlisted, but it should be done very soon. Yep, there we go. It's processing 41 of the videos in the playlist, and these are the 41 videos that are in danger. And there were more unlisted videos here, but right now we only were interested in the ones that are both unlisted and uploaded before 2017. So there is this, and it's, you don't have to use a playlist. So here's a list of video IDs I'm going through. I can just take a few video IDs and paste them in here. And you can, okay, well, all of those have already been added. So let's try taking some more. And we can see that most of these videos have already been added, but there are a few that weren't added. So if we come here now, you can see which ones got added. So one more thing I forgot to mention earlier is that I also have added lots of other sites here. And for those, not all of them, but for most of them, you can use the same YouTube DL that you use for YouTube stuff, because YouTube DL is not only for YouTube, but it also works on a lot of other websites. So that's how this part works. I guess that's it for the demonstration of my archival tendencies. Yeah, I hope this video helps you or inspires you, and I guess thanks for watching.